Welcome to the latest edition of Public Health Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. A new global analysis linked two phthalates, DEHP and DiNP, to nearly 2 million premature births and about 74,000 newborn deaths worldwide in 2018. The study examined exposure across 200 countries and territories and estimated the burden associated with these common plastic additives. Phthalates can disrupt hormones, and the highest impacts were in Africa, the Middle East, and South Asia. Findings are modeled estimates and do not prove causation, highlighting the need for stronger regulation and safer materials. A study in Neurology Open Access followed 793 adults for about 16 years and found that higher midlife vitamin D levels were associated with lower tau levels in the brain later in life, a biomarker linked to Alzheimer's disease. No clear link was found with amyloid beta. Only one baseline measurement was taken, so changes over time were not captured. These results are associative and suggest potential relevance for modifying risk factors in midlife. Researchers at the University of Pennsylvania, with Carnegie Mellon and Stanford, reported a preclinical gene therapy targeting central nervous system pain circuits in mice. The therapy reduced pain without affecting normal sensation and avoided reward pathways associated with opioid misuse. AI-guided experiments mapped pain circuits and designed a therapy acting like a circuit-specific off-switch, informing future non-addictive pain treatments. A small trial tested digital twin heart models for ventricular tachycardia treatment. High-resolution MRI scans created 3D virtual hearts with electrical properties for simulations. In 10 patients, the approach reduced procedure times from 3 hours to 30 minutes and minimized sedation risk. 2 patients had brief arrhythmia recurrence, managed successfully with implanted defibrillators. A study in men with prostate cancer found that metformin may mimic core metabolic effects of exercise. Metformin increased N-lactoylphenylalanine, or LACPH, regulating energy use and weight control even in patients unable to exercise due to fatigue or hormone therapy. The effect persisted after hormone therapy and may support metabolic management and resilience during treatment. NIH researchers reported preclinical findings of a new synthetic opioid, DFNZ, providing potent analgesia in animals without respiratory depression, tolerance, or dependence. DFNZ, derived from nitazenes, retained full analgesic potency while avoiding addictive properties. Animal studies showed steady brain oxygen levels, long-lasting pain relief, and no self-administration behaviors seen with traditional opioids, influencing future-safe opioid strategies. UCLA scientists developed a cost-effective blood test, MethylScan, detecting multiple cancers, liver disease, and organ abnormalities via cell-free DNA methylation. The test removes unmethylated blood DNA to enrich organ-specific signals. In 1,061 samples, MethylScan achieved 63% sensitivity for all cancer stages and 55% for early-stage cancers at 98% specificity. It also identifies tissue of origin and distinguishes liver disease types, potentially enabling broad early detection and health monitoring. Researchers at Oregon State University created a dual-action therapy for lung cancer and cachexia using lipid nanoparticles to deliver mRNA encoding follistatin. In murine models, the therapy targeted lung tumors, reduced tumor burden by 2.5 times versus conventional delivery, and preserved muscle and adipose tissue. This addresses tumor growth and muscle wasting simultaneously. Further preclinical studies are ongoing before human trials. Stay ahead in public health research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com